Pricing a sell market order with an OCO bracket simultaneously on the InfinityAT charts is easy and intuitive. Let's take a look. We have a 5-minute Japanese candlestick chart of the E-mini S&P stock index futures market. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the trade area, which is activated by clicking on the up and down arrow on the upper right hand side. You could toggle it back and forth. And I'm going to click on the market order button at the top, MKT. And it's going to open up a market order ticket. Now, before we talk about the ticket, I just want to point out on the right hand side, my position in the E-mini S&P is 0. In other words, it's flat. We don't have a position yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the trade ticket and I want to send a sell market order. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure there's some values in the stop loss area. And let's go ahead and set this to 12. And I want to make sure that there's some values in the take profit area or our profit target level. And I'm going to set that to 12. These are in ticks. Remember, E-mini S&P is traded in quarter points. Each one is called a tick, and there's 4 per point, and they're worth $12.50 per tick. Now the 12 I put in here for the stop and the 12 I put in here for the take profit or profit target levels are just for demonstration purposes. There's no magic in the numbers. I just want to show how it works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my contract size or lot size at 1, and I am going to click the sell market order button. We hear a ding. We look over to the right and we see E-mini S&P is now -1. We sold 1. We're short 1 at the market, at the market price of, and we could click on this closed book and see the market price here, the top one, 29.23. So we're short from 29.23. I'm going to go back to the position area. Now, 2 other things we notice. We notice these 2 flags, kind of labels, which represent limit orders and stop orders that were sent to the exchange. And since we're short 1, the profit target or the limit order is 10 ticks below where we sold it from. And the stop order is 10 ticks above where we sold it from. And they're both sent to the exchange. These 2 are sent to the exchange as OCOs, order cancels order. When one of them gets filled, the other one will automatically cancel, resulting in a flat position. We're going to either buy one back at a stop loss, we're going to buy one back at a profit target. Remember, profit targets are below the market when you're short, and stops are above. It's the opposite of when you're long. But we are short right now, and that's what we have going. You can see on the lower right, the open orders are also explained in detail. We're trying to buy one on a limit order at 29.20, and we're trying to, we have a protective stop working at 26.29. It's really that simple, and it's server side, so we don't have to worry about canceling an order at the end of the trade, because whichever order gets filled, the other order is going to get canceled, and we are holding these instructions in our pocket at the exchange, at Transact, and you don't have to worry about it. You could log out. You could do whatever you want. Hope that helps.